This file extension has two primary types. Is this a mod music file, tracker, or a mod video file, JVC camcorder? If music, use a tracker player. If video, rename to MPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest MOD cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. AMOD file is a video file format primarily associated with JVC, Panasonic, and Canon digital camcorders. It contains digital video and audio data, often recorded in standard definition. These files are typically created when recording video directly onto a camcorder's storage medium, such as a mini DVD or hard drive. MOD files are structured to store video and audio streams, often using MPEG-2 video compression and Dolby Digital AC3 audio. The file format includes metadata that describes the recording settings, date, and time. While not as universally supported as MP4, MOD files can be converted for wider compatibility. JVC camcorders developed by JVC is often used as the source validator for MOD. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows provides standard playback features, though advanced processing must be done in audio workstations. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's header. Right-click the MOD file and click Open With. Test JVC camcorders first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key to success. If you are still having trouble opening the MOD file, do not worry. If the MOD file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, use Media Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC media player, or a dedicated tracker module player. Next, check codecs. Ensure the necessary audio codecs are installed on your system. Finally, convert format. Use an audio converter tool to convert the mod file to a guaranteed compatible format like MP3 or WAV. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.